Tired of dull, brassy blonde hair? Bust Your Brass Cool Blonde Repair Shampoo by Amika is designed to bring back that fresh, icy tone you crave. This 10.1 fluid ounce bottle isn't just any purple shampoo, it's a targeted solution that repairs while it tones, helping blondes keep their hair vibrant and healthy without the unwanted brassiness. Whether you're a natural blonde or platinum, this shampoo fits right into your routine to keep your color sharp and your hair feeling strong. I've tried a lot of purple shampoos over the years, but Bust Your Brass stands out for a few reasons. First, it's gentle enough to use regularly without drying out your hair. The formula repairs damage, so your hair feels soft and resilient after each wash. Plus, it's packed in a sleek bottle made in the United States, weighing just 0.8 pounds, easy to handle and perfect for your bathroom shelf. The brand Amika, whose name means friend in Esperanto, really lives up to its promise. They focus on community and diversity, making products that work for everyone. The unique leather scent also adds a subtle touch of luxury that you won't find in other purple shampoos. Here's how to get the most from Bust Your Brass. If you're a natural blonde, use the shampoo and conditioner every other wash during summer when brassiness tends to flare up. Swap your conditioner once a week for the Bust Your Brass Repair Mask to boost strength and shine. Platinum blondes should use the shampoo and conditioner every other wash to maintain their cool tone. The key is customizing your routine based on your hair type and needs. If you're ready to say goodbye to brass and hello to icy, strong hair, Bust Your Brass Cool Blonde Repair Shampoo is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to give your blonde hair the care it deserves.